Motorcycle shifter repair for my V-Strom Suzuki 650, called the V-Stromo because of Alien. So the piece that broke off has now been drilled and tapped. Bolt, washer, nut, and a piece of hose can be inserted. This should be replaceable, serviceable, save a little bit of money on the shifter. It's shop time. Go very slow with the tap. But take off the circlip and the pinch bolt goes into the transmission. You can get that off where you can work with it. I drilled it to one undersize and then full size, and then slowly went in with the tap. Drill and tap your shifter for continued service.